guys, so if you are eagerly waiting for something to happen or someone to come in your life, or this can be anything, like when will this happen also, let's see an approximate timing. What's the possibilities? So let's start. And here's your first message. Okay, on a holiday. So something for what you're waiting for may happen when you are on a holiday. This has been said to you over here, and it will be unexpected. Obviously, maybe you are too much focused into that particular thing, and that is why maybe it is getting delayed also. And if you go on a holiday or something, obviously somewhere your focus will move away and that thing will happen in your life. So let's see another message over here. Faster than you think. So now this can be something that you already know this won't happen so soon or so, but here's the message given to you that faster even than you think this is going to happen. Beautiful message, claim it. Let's see another possibilities. Okay. Hurdles in your work, take blessings of sweeper and grandfather. Okay, grandfather being ancestor for that particular thing. Maybe you have that ancestral issue, that can be also, but the thing, this can be a hurdle. Now your grandfather may or may not be there, but take their blessings. And also sweeper. Why sweeper is a very beautiful message over here, that sweepers, they always clean each and everything. So obviously if you take blessings of sweeper, if you don't feel that odd or so, move ahead, take their blessings. Even they will feel good, guys, that they are being respected. That's the thing, they will, I feel, seriously from bottom of their heart give you those all blessings, and this may help you in clearing the hurdles of your life, in your life. Try it. So another possibility is within 7 months this will happen. So I guess if you do this, then within 7 months this can happen, or this is a random time for you that within 7 months also some other thing can happen, because a lot of people are watching this, so it can be anything. Okay. A last possibilities in 4 weeks. Something is about to happen in your life, or what you are waiting for. Okay, even in 4 days, beautiful. So do claim this energies, I would say, each and every energy. And I would again like to say, people who are facing obstacles, challenges, resistances in their life, if possible, take blessings from sweeper. Seriously, like, it may sound little odd or weird, but try it. Thank you.